Welcome to this presentation of the new CapaWinUpgrade service from CapaSystems. Upgrading your Windows clients has never been easier. Thanks to the newly revised version of the CapaWinUpgrade service, it literally only takes a copy and paste action to start the upgrade. You are no longer forced to upgrade every computer to the same feature upgrade. Thanks to the integration of static group support, you now have strict control over which machines can be upgraded and to which version. This is done simply by adding computers to different static groups. This is especially useful if you have sensitive systems that you don't want on the current branch of Windows, or simply if you want to test the reliability or compatibility of the newest feature upgrade from Microsoft. Extended custom inventory keeps you up to date with everything you need to know, like upgrade readiness and current Windows version on the client and the new version available. This gives you a complete overview of your organization's Windows 10 versions and upgrade history on each computer. During the upgrade, the computer is logged with an installation screen, which features a custom text field if you want to present a message to your users while the upgrade is running. Another feature is the addition of the Cloud Updater, which automatically downloads the content packages that contains the Windows updates. Language packs are automatically handled and installed during upgrade. After the upgrade has finished, old installation files and temporary data are removed. We hope that you enjoyed this short presentation. If you wish to know more about this fantastic service or any of our other services, please visit CapaSystems.com. Thanks for watching.